right, cause I like your attitude.
Nababo ka pala, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan, a foreign Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, for the second time, i-feature natin si LockDown BBQ. But today, na-invite tayo sa kanilang opening dito sa kanilang Balibago branch.
Yeah, so this is our second branch na pwede yung enjoy yung place.
Right, so we're gonna give you a tour of the place and of course, we're gonna taste their food. Samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Manyaman! Manyaman nga nilutong katamtangan!
Stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret.
Welcome to LockDown BBQ. Let's go!
Wow! So there you have it. Congratulations, LockDown BBQ, for your grand opening, your second branch dito sa Angeles City, no?
So this is located dito sa may Balibago.
As always, syempre ang pinaka-pambato ni LockDown BBQ, gusto ko nilang pagkain.
So this is the Bilao Platter.
Bilao platter. So, based on your observation, siguro this can accommodate up until 6.
Yes.
And isa pa sa mga in-order natin is yung kanilang
Cheesy tahong.
cheesy tahong. Ayan. And aside from the ambience, I mean, the location itself, no? Ang galing, no? Open air. Open air. Al fresco. And then,
At the same time, meron din silang bands dito for you to enjoy yung pinaka-place and at the same time, yung food natin.
exactly. So as always, eat and chill, sabi nga nila. So, congratulations again, LockDown BBQ. For the best.
Send to the next dimension, let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it.
Okay, so yung sa bilao natin guys, napakasarap ng kanilang mga sisig. This is number 1. And then we have chicken barbecue. Meron din tayong
Pork barbecue.
Pork barbecue. I think this is the liempo part, no?
Yes, meron din tayong lechon kawali.
Lechon kawali.
At the same time, ang favorite natin is yung kanilang chicharon bulaklak.
Charon bulaklak.
We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end.
Butok-batok. Pero lalabang ka. So testimonial nga nila dito, yung sisig nila hindi tinitipid kasi based on the physical appearance, no, wala masyadong taba. Ayan, sarap ng onion na very fresh pa talaga sila. And of course, yung choice ng meat, the best.
Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension. Move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out.
So ito yung kanilang barbecue and let's taste it.
We can have with no regret.
Grabe, Mark. In order natin bilao, halos hindi man yan natin naubos, no?
And syempre, available din dito yung mga iba't ibang klaseng food nila na nandun sa unang branch nila.
So take note yung bilao natin, meron small, meron din regular. Meron din tayo mga a la carte ng mga
Yes.
barbecue nila. So if you want chicken only, pork barbecue, sisig, of course those are sold separately, pwede rin yun.
I'll never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can never.
So there you have it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Kung naghahanap ka ng bagong hangout dito sa Angeles City, make sure to check out LockDown BBQ.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Cheers!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're Pampanga.
Yeah.